What's up, guys? It's Luis back at it with another unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing a box from RU Villa, which is a Jordan 1, that luxury version, the green one, and a FC football club uh, jacket. It's like a bomber jacket but long, like a one park almost. Basically, it's a long jacket, which looks really nice. And yeah, so I believe I got the shoes for like 86 or 87, or maybe even 80. I mean 60. But yeah, I feel like I got a good deal on that. I'll show you the shoes first since we got that first. Alright, so you got your basic Jordan box, you got your gold, all black box. This side has nothing. The other side has nothing. And the back has only a Jordan Jumpman. In the bottom, you have some information. Insert information. Recycle thing. And in front, you got your Air Jordan 1 High Nouveau. There you go. That's the color. The size is 10. Price $150. So you got your basic white tissue paper, 23. How you close this roll. Take out one for now. So you got black. It's like a new bag. Not really, like it's some weird material. Not even new, but it's like fake, like rubber. You got your leather here, which is kind of soft. I don't know. The top is the same material as the bottom. You got your Nike swoosh and that weird color that changes color when the sun hits. See, bottom is a gum bottom, so that's nice. Midsole is white, olive through the whole shoe almost. Black hints in some parts. You got black laces. They're not waxed, they're just regular laces. On the back you have no Jumpman logo. Other side, same thing as the outside of this part. On top you got your Jordan brand with leather or some kind of weird material. Looks pretty nice. I've been wanting this shoe for the longest. Looks like the Jumpman thing has like a little bit of glare and color changing too. Maybe you see that. The insole. Let's see what the insole has. The insole, in my surprise, has the Nike Air, which is really surprising. I wouldn't have thought it would have the Nike Air. And the orange, like the Jumpman right here. And yeah, pretty nice shoe. I like it. Really nice, looks luxury. Obviously a lot there sat at Foot Lockers, Champs, Foot Actions, and E-Space. But I mean, if you like the shoe, you should get it. And if it's gonna be at a low price, then you should cop instead of not copying and regretting that you didn't get that shoe because everyone else didn't get it. So that's this other pair. Do that 360 real fast for you guys. Really nice shoe. I really like it. When I saw the first images, I was like, I have to get those. But I already knew this was gonna sit in stores, so I was waiting for it to lower in price. So I got them for like $58, maybe $60, and they're $150, so almost pretty good, almost 90% off. Really nice. This is a weird material though, like new book or something. But yeah, closer look on the material, I guess. The leather is a little bit soft. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, just put them in the bottom in the comments below, and I'll answer them as soon as possible. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.